Okay students, so welcome back to our another video lecture. So here today we are going to do this theorem saying that if A is a subset of a metric space X3, then diameter of A is always equal to diameter of its closure. Right? कि diameter एक set का उसके closure के equal होता है. This is we are going to prove. And we are already aware that diameter is nothing but a number. So in this case what we are going to show that two numbers are equal, which you already know how to show two numbers are equal. Okay, so left hand side less than equal to right hand side, and the other way right hand side less than equal to left hand side we are going to do. Okay, one way is very clear, very easy. As we already know that A is contained in A closure. A closure is what? A set together with all its limit point is known as closure of that set. Set उसके सभी लिमिट पॉइंट उसमें जोड़ दें तो going to be A closure. So this we already know that every set is contained in A closure because definition of A closure is nothing but A union A prime, that means derived set of A. So from here, now if A is contained in A closure, then supremum of distance of xy from A is always less than equal to the supremum of distance of xy from A closure, right? And this is nothing but the definition of diameter of A, and this is diameter of A closure. So this way, this left hand side less than equal to right hand side is very clear. Now we have to prove the other way. What we have to show now to show diameter of A closure less than equal to diameter of A. This we have to show. But before proceeding to this, we want to have a review of a famous lemma we have done. Okay, so what does that say? That X belong to A closure implies that there exists a sequence. That means we can always construct a sequence in A such that xn will converge to x. Please recall, very famous lemma. हमने इसको एक नाम भी दिया था. You can recall. हमारी बुक में नहीं है, but I think we call it MH lemma also. Okay. So this review you need to recall. So once you know about this review that if x belong to A closure, then you can always construct this sequence where this sequence will converge to this point only. अगर ये रिव्यू के बारे में हमें पता है तो proof is very easy now. So let's do the other way. अब हमने we have to show that diameter of A closure is less than equal to diameter of A. This we have to show. Okay. So write down equivalently what we have to show. This can be written in this way also. Further clarification that supremum of distance of xy, where xy are coming from A closure, is less than equal to diameter of A. ये हमें शो करना है. So let's take xy from A closure. So let xy belong to A closure. हमने ये मान लिया और ये हमने शो करना है. We have to show this. So write down the meaning of x being in A closure means you will construct a sequence xn which will converge to x, and y belong to A closure means again you are going to construct another sequence, call it yn, which will converge to y. So that is, so therefore there exists xn yn sequences in A such that xn converge to x and yn converge to y. Okay, and now further let's write down the meaning of xn converges to x and yn converges to y. इनका मीनिंग लिख लेते हैं. So epsilon is arbitrary, so you have choice of epsilon. So let's write down. Okay, so xn converge to x is given now. So what does it mean? xn converge to x implies corresponding to epsilon upon 2 greater than 0, there exists a natural number, call it n1, such that distance of x and x is less than epsilon by 2 after a finite stage, इस नेचुरल नंबर के बाद. Similarly, yn converge to y, so corresponding to epsilon upon 2 greater than 0, there exists natural number n2 such that distance of y and y less than epsilon by 2 after n greater than equal to n2 after this finite stage. And now we have to take a common natural number and maximum will work here. You are already aware. So let n naught is equal to maximum of n1 n2. Then what do we get? In that case, d of x and x less than epsilon by 2 and d of y and y is also less than epsilon by 2, and this is true for this new natural number n naught. After this is going to be true. Okay, and now there is one more we need to recall, that diameter of a set is a distance, but largest distance in that set. Okay, but largest distance in that set, that means diameter of a set is always greater than equal to all the distances, right? So also we know, also diameter of x and y n less than equal to diameter of a. क्यों? क्योंकि x and y n हमारी sequences are from a, so that is because x n y n belong to a, or distance of a is the largest distance in set a. तो distance of x and y n क्या होगा? छोटा या equal ही हो सकता है, right? And now let's consider what we wanted to show. So consider dxy, and by using triangle inequality, xn and yn are new elements, so let's make use of them. Less than equal to d of xn yn plus d of y by triangle inequality, and this is strictly less than epsilon upon 2, ये epsilon upon 2 है, plus d of xn yn plus epsilon upon 2, this is also less than epsilon by 2, and this is equal to epsilon plus diameter of a, क्योंकि d of xn, yn less than equal to diameter of a है. Okay, call it star. So by star, and since epsilon greater than is arbitrary, so I can take it in however small I want to take. So in that case I can write this as supremum of dxy such that xy are coming from a closure is less than equal to this d of a. Okay, because epsilon greater than is arbitrary, so I am avoiding this. और यहाँ से you can clearly see that distance of xy less than equal to this term for infinitely many terms. Okay, so their supremum is also going to have same relation, and since epsilon greater than 0 is arbitrary, so we get supremum of dxy, xy belong to a closure less than equal to diameter of a, and this is the definition of diameter of a closure. So that is diameter of a closure less than equal to diameter of a. call it equation 2, and now 1 and 2 gives us required result. Diameter of A is equal to diameter of A closure. So done.